My name's Tom Blossom. I'm a VP of Customer Success. So I think it's critical for new CS people to know about CS ops, because if those things aren't consistent and done in a repeatable manner, then you're going to waste a lot of time and a lot of energy on the wrong things instead of helping customers. With regard to having good record keeping on the CS side, if someone needs to know something inside the organization, it's much more efficient if they can find it and look at it and understand it and come back if there's questions versus having to ask for it every time. And in terms of continuity, the other one that immediately comes to mind is if someone leaves the organization for whatever reason, the new person, the rest of the team wants to make sure they understand what happened on the last call, what are the goals of the customer, what's their timeline, who are the key people, and it goes on and on and on. Depending how it's done inside of your organization, you want to make sure as an individual CSM that you're following the instructions of the leader, of the manager. And when everyone says that it's depending the terminology used, maybe use commit, best case, pipeline, etc., or red, yellow, green, that what that means under the hood is the same to everyone is what's critical. Then they know whether it's my forecast or your forecast, that if it's yellow or it's just best case, then it means the same thing. For a standard enterprise sale-based company, I think you'd need to be pretty large to make it worthwhile. And I'm drawing the distinction there between that and one that's more have a large number of smaller customers. Then the automations that are often a part of, I think, of as CS ops become more important earlier on, and that's where a CS ops person, I think, can provide a lot of value at an earlier stage compared if it's an enterprise-focused company. But I think CS ops, is fundamentally its own domain, but does overlap quite a bit with RevOps and can in different types of orgs. And if someone's interested in pursuing CS ops, I would say gain a lot of knowledge on typical RevOps role as well, because likely some of those responsibilities would feed into that, to a CS ops type of role from my experience.